What's up, TraNa gang? It's your boy Trey.
And your girl Nay, face ass.
Back with another video challenge. Fuck you talking about?
My plate.
Anybody spit on your
I got a white plate.
We got the pickles.
And we got the whipped cream, the original.
Whipped cream.
So we are doing the pickle whipped cream challenge, you guys. We gotta eat 10 pickles today. Whipped cream without barfing. I was playing. Yeah. But we gotta see who can actually do it. Yeah, without getting sick.
I hope these are good. We're gonna split off the pickles. You gonna put them on there and not put them on here?
Yes.
Or
We're gonna do this like this. Open this shit. You the strong Hercules. Shit. I'm the weakling. Watch my elbow.
I'm just playing. I'm just playing. Y'all seen that? I thought I was about to get him, huh?
You get him on your shirt.
Got pickle juice on me. Nah, it ain't on me. It's only on the hand. Only on the hand.
These little pickles we got. We ain't got no big thirsty pickles. Because it's not going to be good.
Who the heck gon'
Ooh, this strong, y'all. You think you can eat 10?
No. Oh.
No, you got to eat 10. That's the actual challenge of doing 10.
No.
Sticking my hands on my hands clean. I just washed them.
Your hands better be clean.
Digs in my booty. My booty hole. I was playing.
8.
I don't think you can do 10.
Nah.
Okay. My turn. Is there a 10 for me?
Yeah, it should be.
We'll see, because if not,
we're going to split it in
half.
half.
I'm going to do 9 or 8 or 4. Nah. Damn, it's all about the bottom stuff. I'm digging for pickles.
Nope, it ain't enough.
It's 8.
Hmm?
It's 8.
It's 8?
Mm-hmm.
Well, we're doing 9.
You doing 9?
You doing 9 too.
Cause somebody like they built out that pickle, that shit gone. It's like chewed up and shit. Nah, I ain't that. Fucking tug mad.
Oh. Wait, oh no, this is a little. Take one back.
This one.
I knew you was gonna.
The ugly one.
No.
What?
Eat that
you
mug.
Eat it?
No,
Go.
you
How many you got?
I got 9.
9?
Yeah.
Got 9?
Yeah.
All right. Well, 99, you guys. We got 99. Cause the 10 wasn't working. All right, let's get this shit started, boy. What you talking about?
Go. Oh, you just gonna?
No,
like
you
that?
gotta pick up one at a time.
I thought you was about to be like.
Open this up. I still ain't take my nails off yet, y'all. It's tripping. This doggone what's that called? The little gel nail. The gel nail. Forever to take off.
Remember you went to the nail shop? That lady said she gave you seashell.
Seashell. Oh my gosh, this lady.
It's seashell nail.
Oh, that look good, y'all.
I know it make it look good, but
seashell nail.
Probably gross. I'm gonna take a small.
Hurry up, we're gonna bottoms up this. Bottoms up, up. You got the littlest one, fool. Why you cheating?
What?
He capped. All right, let's go. Oh, made this up.
You're supposed to eat the whole pickle.
Not no one bite. This ain't no one bite challenge. Come on. Yeah, all right. This ain't a one bite challenge. Nah, I mean,
Well, we finna race then.
Wait.
See who finished these 9 pickles with the whipped cream first.
Wait. You gotta wait, baby. I'm finish my first one. You said we racing. That's be eating. Now you doing another challenge. Put a challenge in a challenge?
Put a challenge in a challenge. Why not? We make our own lanes around this camp.
This pickle take forever to chill, y'all.
Man, I'm about to go ahead and finish this one.
Wait. It came out like that. All right, go.
You nasty.
Y'all make noise, it's nasty.
It's actually not bad the first couple bites.
Yeah.
I think because I got a different taste. I like that little sweet and sour. It's looking good to me.
Just drink this little lemon water real quick.
I guess you can call me a weirdo because I kind of like it. Because I kinda like it. That's probably some pregnant lady made this shit up.
So I'm hungry. Oh, pickles and whipped cream. Very sad.
That's real good too.
Yeah, real good. Stop playing.
Oh, you capping.
Why you putting so much?
I
Stop
didn't cut
cheating,
it
babe.
That one was a cheat. I mean, not a cheat. That was an accident. Now you only got 5.
Babe, you know I eat faster than you. If I wanted to down them for pills, I would have Brian Prince as well. Fish sour. He know because I eat Taco Bell, I was killing tacos, y'all.
It's just too sour. Well, I feel like you got all these small pickles. I got a couple big ones. On me, I do. Gross. I'm getting super nasty now, y'all.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this.
How? Give me this goddamn whipped cream. Ew.
You're doing sour bad moves.
You're cheating.
No, I'm not.
Nasty. Let me get real quick though.
You are.
How? Her pickles were small.
Full skill.
She gave me a big ass pickles. I got a double bite now. Yeah, water. Let me taste it.
I don't drink all my water.
Open it.
This shit nasty,
Oh, that junk tastes flame cold.
don't drink all.
These are nasty, yo. It got my stomach upset now, y'all.
Oh my god.
Don't be laughing at me.
Y'all, he wanted the challenge and look, stop capping. I'm really popping. I got a sip from the one doing the mouth.
We're gonna have our tablecloth smelling like pickle juice.
What?
We gonna go back, y'all, and we finna check her pickles out.
Bet I ain't
I
cheating.
think hers is bigger, smaller than mine.
No, boy, we got the same, babe. We got the same. Mine was big, big, big. Yours little.
These things nasty.
I win.
It was good in the beginning. What that mean? I gotta stop?
Nope.
Fine with me. True.
I mean, you lost. I win. He even brought the challenge up. Told I eat faster.
She cheated, y'all.
Stop capping. I'm really popping. I kind of sip on the one doing the mop. I mopped his ass on this challenge, y'all. Woo!
She wasn't. I ain't finishing these, y'all. Yep.
I won. Look at these two, y'all.
Ain't 2, it's 1.5.
1.5. Oh, I still did that, y'all.
I can't do it.
You gotta drink the juice.
My stomach starting to hurt. I ain't gotta wait. What?
You lost. You gotta drink the juice. At least right to here.
Hell no. She said at least right to here, y'all.
Well, by the beat.
She said it down here. She want me to drink this juice down here.
By the beat.
That's a whole lot of juice.
By the beat. You gonna buy the beat.
I ain't biting no beat. I ain't eating no pickles. We gonna put the pickles inside the beat and make it echo.
You gonna buy the beat. You gonna buy the beat. You gonna buy the beat. That's when. Oh, gosh.
No, I ain't drinking no pickle juice.
Woo, guys, but thanks for that challenge. I killed that mug. I murdered that challenge.
My stomach hurt.
You want that baby food now, babe? You want that baby food? You want that baby food? You know, kissy.
My tummy hurt, y'all.
Alright, y'all. If you like this video,
like it.
Subscribe.
Comment down below.
Yeah, comment down below. Whatever videos y'all want to see.
Tell Nate she cheated, y'all.
They know I didn't cheat. Y'all know I didn't cheat on this video, right? I did not cheat. I promise to God I ain't cheat.
Everybody.
No.
Go lie in the comments.
Don't lie in no comments, because you know, I'm going to reverse this video back, and he's going to say, no cheating. Ha!
It's sad right there, because you have tiny pickles.
No, baby, we had the same size pickles. You had tinier pickles than me. What did you
No, all her pickles
was
like this big. That was half mine.
That was what?
Her pickles.
Anyways, y'all, don't forget to hit the notification bell, because we'll be doing videos back to back. Like you feel me? No, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and we're out. TraNa gang.
TraNa gang.
Stop that shit.